This is a wonderful app one have ever seen for the car stereo. Shall we download this app and watch its features and facilities for the Android car stereo owners? Stay with SetNFix. Shall we download this application first? You have to search as CarWebGuru in the Google Play Store. Download the application. It will take a time to download and install it. Therefore, I will speed up the downloading and installing process. Once the download is completed, you can open the application. When the application is run in the first time, you can see this interface. It will ask the permission. First click the location button, then it will ask the permission to access to the location settings. You have to give the permission to access for location settings, then read the instructions and give the required permission to access. It is important to display correct data on the car launcher. If you are confirmed that the given data is completed, now you can run the application. In order to run the application, click on the Start button. Now, you can see this interface, but I know it is not attractive. You can slide the app and see the different themes. There are few interfaces in the same app, you can select as your wish. Watch the video. This is my favorite one. You can change the showing functions in the right side and left side by clicking the swapping buttons. You need to change more settings and you can add your vehicle data as well. In order to get the correct output, you have to enter vehicle data correctly to this app. Watch the video. Some features of this app are not free. And also there will be a notification to interrupt the work due to trial app. Therefore, if you want to feel the full facilities, you have to purchase this app. In order to feel the real experience, you have to go for a ride. Shall we see how the performance of this app while driving? Before ending the video, I wanted to show the view of car stereo with this app. This is how you can see with CarWebGuru launcher. I hope this will help you to understand the most fantastic car stereo launcher ever built. If you feel this is good, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Until next video, stay innovative and stay with SetNFix.